The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Magic Chef 9.2 cubic foot refrigerator is offered in a white and stainless steel look. Its sleek style and bottom mount design offers storage convenience without sacrificing function for your kitchen, den, or office break room needs. The two-door design allows quick access to both fresh and frozen items. 3 adjustable, easy clean glass shelves help accommodate and organize almost any food or beverage item. A convenient crisper drawer helps keep fruits and vegetables fresh and ready to enjoy. Door shelves offer storage space for both small and large items, including a 12-ounce beverage can dispenser for grab-and-go convenience. The freezer features a large wire basket and wire shelf, ideal for all frozen food storage needs. Independent thermostat controls allow you to adjust the inside temperature for refrigerator and freezer compartments separately, while the auto defrost function prevents frost buildup to ensure efficient performance. Flexible placement capability includes reversible doors and space-saving flush-back design. Plus, it's ENERGY STAR qualified, which means year-round energy savings. So whether you're looking for a space-saving kitchen solution or an office update, this refrigerator will meet all of your needs.